In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to do a QuickBooks journal entry effectively. Whether you're a seasoned accountant or a small business owner looking to manage your finances, this process is crucial for keeping your books accurate and up to date. Now let's dive right in. The first step to making a journal entry in QuickBooks is to head over to QuickBooks Online. You can access it through your preferred web browser. Once there, you'll notice a welcoming dashboard. Take a moment to familiarize yourself if it's your first time, as this is where you'll manage many of your accounting tasks. Next, you'll want to click on the Sign In button, usually located in the top right corner of the screen. QuickBooks has designed its interface to be user-friendly, but do note the positioning might slightly change depending on updates or screen size. Once you've located it, go ahead and click. After clicking Sign In, you will need to enter your email and password. Ensure you use the same credentials when you initially set up your QuickBooks account. This step is straightforward, but if you've forgotten your credentials, QuickBooks provides recovery options to help you regain access. Once you've entered your credentials, proceed to click on Sign In again. This will take you to your QuickBooks Online account, where the magic happens. After you're signed in, your next task is to navigate to the New option. In QuickBooks, the New button is like your gateway to creating entries. It is often positioned at the top or side menu, easily accessible. Clicking on it will drop down a menu with various transaction options. Within this drop-down menu, you'll see the Journal Entry option. It's usually among other transaction types like invoice or expense. But in our case, Journal Entry is what you're after. With a simple click on Journal Entry, you are now ready to start inputting your financial data. Now you're on the Journal Entry screen, and it's time to add your first account on the first line. This is a critical step, as this choice will affect how your financial data is tracked and reported in QuickBooks. To simplify, your first account is where the money is coming from or going to, depending on whether it's a debit or credit entry. Choose wisely based on your accounting needs. After selecting an account on the first line, you'll need to add more details. These details include the specific date of the transaction, amounts involved, and a brief memo for reference. This memo is particularly useful for recalling why you made the entry when reviewing your accounts in the future. Take your time to ensure accuracy here, as mistakes can compound over time. With the first line completed, you'll move on to the second line. Here you'll add the other account involved in this transaction. If the first line was a debit, this would be a credit, and vice versa. QuickBooks requires this double entry accounting method, which helps in maintaining accurate financial records. Once you've added the second account, it's crucial to fill out additional details, just like you did with the first one. This usually includes the date again, transaction amount, and a memo. Consistency is key, so make sure these align with your previous entry for balancing purposes. Before finalizing, it's crucial to review your entries. This is your opportunity to double check that the debits and credits balance and that every detail is correctly recorded. Reviewing ensures the integrity of your financial reporting and guards against possible errors. Finally, if everything looks good, you can click on Save and New to store this entry in your QuickBooks account. This option not only saves your current journal entry, but also resets the form so you can input another one immediately if needed. Saving entries is vital, as it finalizes the transaction and makes it part of your financial records. And there you have it. You've just learned how to perform a journal entry in QuickBooks, helping you maintain clarity and accuracy in your financial management. With practice, these steps will become second nature, and you'll be able to leverage QuickBooks' robust tools to optimize your business's financial tracking. Thanks for joining me today, and I hope you found this guide helpful. Be sure to check out more of our tutorials for other QuickBooks functionalities. Until next time.